Good morning, everyone. From the Central Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Eastep. We do have a very serious flash flood situation occurring in portions of east central Missouri this morning. Let's go straight to the maps here, and we'll show you what we're talking about. A number of roads closed, and very serious situation occurring in a number of counties in the St. Louis National Weather Service forecast area. Here's a look at regional radar here from NexRad, showing you this massive amount of precipitation that has pretty much been running along I-70 all night long from Kansas City to St. Louis, just to the north of St. Louis. In a little bit more detail here, we'll show you the particular counties that we're looking at from National Weather Service NexRad out of St. Louis. Some of these areas have received in excess of 9 inches of rain since midnight. Flash flood warning is in effect until 12:45 this afternoon for Audrain County in central Missouri and southeastern Rawls and western Pike County in northeast Missouri. At 7:47 this morning, local law enforcement officials and the Department of Transportation reported that a number of roads were closed due to the flash flooding of creeks and streams in the warned area. This would include Vandalia, Missouri, Spencerburg, New London, Frankfort, and Curryville. Also, the National Weather Service is reporting Route C west of Mystic in Adair and Sullivan counties in Missouri is closed at this hour. Weather Spotter in La Plata reported they had received 6.60 inches of rain since 5 a.m. The heavier rain was starting to taper off in the warned area, but scattered showers and thunderstorms will still be possible through mid-morning. Also, a lot of runoff is occurring, and rain is falling at 1.5 inches per hour to areas south of Macon, Missouri, in the Moberly area. The National Weather Service also is reporting from 2 to as much as 4 inches of rain has fallen across northern sections of Boone, Callaway, and Montgomery counties overnight. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible before the showers and thunderstorms taper off later this morning. Also, local law enforcement officials they are reporting a 2-acre pond at the Kirksville Country Club was giving way, and flooding was occurring on Highway 63 south of town. They also report numerous roads closed. In addition, the Chariton River at Novinger will be cresting near record levels. Area creeks and streams will remain out of their banks through the morning hours as rainfall diminishes, but runoff continues. So we have flash flood warnings in effect for Audrain, Pike, Rawls counties in Missouri, Adair, Sullivan County, Monroe, Rawls, Marion, Shelby, Lewis, and Knox counties in Missouri, Putnam County in Missouri, Schuyler County in Missouri, and Randolph County in Missouri. And a new one here just coming in. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for Boone, northern Callaway, and Montgomery County in Missouri until noon. At 7:03 a.m., thunderstorms producing heavy rain were located over the warned area. From 2 to 4 inches of rain has fallen. Areas that will receive flooding include Shamrock, Murray, and Montgomery City. St. Charles County, Missouri already has had 2 inches of rain. That's actually not here on your map. That's a little bit closer to St. Louis Metro, just to the south. But you see this orange and yellow and purple here. These are areas that have received in excess of 5 inches of rainfall since this storm began. And again, it's really been sitting over the same area. We can show you these counties under warnings on our other map here, and you can see pretty much the northern third of Missouri this morning under flash flood warnings. All those light green boundaries are the flash flood warnings, river flood warnings, flood advisories this morning, and it covers a fairly wide area. Recap here real quick from the local storm reports. Route J closed due to high water at the Shelby and Marion County line. Route Y closed due to high water in Pike County. Route M closed with 1 foot of water flowing over the road 1 mile south of Curryville in Pike County. Highway 54 flooded in Audrain County. Route B closed, B as in boy, in Rawls County. Severe flooding on Lick Creek, also in Rawls County. Large unoccupied camping trailers have been washed away and destroyed. Several county roads completely washed out. One house has been inundated by water, at least 4 feet deep, but the occupant has escaped uninjured. Highway 19 is closed due to 2 to 3 feet of flowing water there. Again, that in Rawls County. A water rescue overnight in Shelby County, Missouri. Several vehicles stranded in 18-inch water on US 36 that is now closed in Shelby County, Missouri, and numerous roads closed due to flooding. Water rescues ongoing overnight in Monroe County near Paris in Missouri. Shelby County also reporting, Shelbina authorities reporting numerous road closures throughout the county. Again, US Highway 36 is closed east of Lentner, east of Shelbina, and near Honeywell. And Highway 15 is closed in spots. Highway 151 is closed north of Clarence. Route N, J, AA, and K are all closed in spots. Route DD is closed west of Maud, and Route J west of Shelbyville, all closed in Shelby County, Missouri. So a pretty serious situation again out to the west this morning. Those storms are going to start to trek towards the St. Louis area during the morning. They're very slow movers, so once they start, you're going to get a lot of rain over an extended period of time, and that is causing a lot of problems with runoff because there's just nowhere for that precipitation to go. So flash flood watch is in effect for most of the northern half of Missouri this morning, and the potential there for several inches of rain across southern Illinois as those storms move through the area later today into tonight and into Saturday. In many cases, these watches continuing as the runoff will be slow and high water is likely. I'm Larry East of the Central Illinois Fire Network Weather Center. Stay tuned for the latest information.